Recently, a client of mine said they were flagged as spam for sending too many messages on WhatsApp. I did some research myself. I will tell you about the solutions for this. Let's get to the solutions. Please like this video and subscribe. Thanks so much. First of all, we found a form on WhatsApp. For this, you need to submit that form. For this, first go to n.vapa.com. Type WhatsApp in the search bar at the top right. And search like this. Find the How Do You Recover Spam WhatsApp account article here and log in like this. After entering the article, friends, I want to talk about this first, because this is a serious matter. If WhatsApp restricts your account or flags it as spam again, your account may be permanently closed. Because think about it this way. If you're sending messages too quickly or using modified versions of WhatsApp, which we've explained here one by one. If you are creating too many groups and copy-pasting messages to send them to others quickly, it is likely that you will be flagged as spam again. Regarding this, what happens if you are flagged as spam again? We also talked about it here, under the heading, What Happens When You Are Flagged as Spam. First, you'll receive a temporary ban. This means a suspension lasting anywhere from 24 to 72 hours. Then, a partial restriction. You can use WhatsApp, but WhatsApp will disable group features and some other features for you. And finally, friends, if you continue to do this, you will be permanently banned. No one wants to be permanently banned. Now let's move on to the solutions. We've left a form related to WhatsApp below. If you want, from this email, we've even written a sample email here on how to send it. But first, click this link, the one here. Then you go to the Contact WhatsApp form here. First, enter the WhatsApp number here that was flagged as spam. Select the area code like this. Choose the country you are from, then enter your email address here, and confirm your email address by entering it again. Write how you use WhatsApp here, and write your message here. As an example, we have written the message on our website here. You can say it was by mistake, or that it wasn't you. As I said, the important thing here is not to make this mistake again. Say that you are using it for personal use. Say that you are not using any automated third-party applications. Hopefully, you can get your account back this way. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. If your account is not activated, you can reach me at n.vebhakim.com or in the comments section on YouTube. Thank you very much. See you.